This is an Alberta emergency alert issued by the Alberta Emergency Management Agency. This alert is in effect for Alberta. Extreme cold resulting in high power demand has placed the Alberta grid at a high risk of rotating power outages this evening. Albertans are asked to immediately limit their electricity use to essential needs only. Turn off unnecessary lights and electrical appliances. Minimize the use of space heaters. Delay use of major power appliances. Delay charging electrical vehicles and plugging in block heaters. Cook with microwaves instead of stoves. For more information, visit the Alberta Electric System Operator website.
Wow.